Assalamu alaikum friends. Are you suffering from these aches and pains, these mysterious pains that come and go? Well, it's time to put them to rest because I have stumbled upon an ingredient that will amaze you. These little balls of goodness known as Phool Makhanas or foxnut, sometimes lotus seeds in English, they are packed with vitamins and minerals that our body needs on a regular basis. They're extremely beneficial for us. What I do is I dry roast them on a stovetop, or you can do it in an oven, and I store them in an airtight container. And then every night I soak about 10 to 12 balls in half cup of milk, and then in the morning I heat up that milk mixture 40 to 50 seconds in a microwave, and I drink that on an empty stomach daily. Alhamdulillah, it provides me with this great burst of energy, and all my pains and aches